Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and I'm from House of Shapes Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. Today, I'm going to show you an easy at-home haircut that you can do just using 2 guards. You will need a comb, a 6 guard, which is 3/4 an inch, a 2 guard, which is 1/4 an inch, some trimmers, and some clippers. Always oil and disinfect your tools, even if they're used only on you. I'm going to be starting with the top with the 6 guard. Everybody's hair is different. This is Alex. He has medium hair. His hair is very straight and obviously dark. The color, texture, and thickness of your hair will determine if this haircut looks slightly shorter or longer. Because everyone has cowlicks or different hair growth patterns, going multiple times in each direction is how to achieve an even haircut. As you cut, continuously comb the hair with the grain and against the grain. This will help determine if there's any longer hairs on top that you need to go over again. Now I'm using the 2 guard. As I am cutting, I am making a scooping motion as I get to the top of the side of his head. Doing this scooping motion will blend the hair so there is no line. You must scoop it before you get to the round of the head. Below where you're doing the scooping motion, I am going back and going at all directions, just as I did the top, so that it is completely even and there are no strands of hairs that are going to stick out. If you do not know where the head starts to round, take a comb and lay it flat to the side of the head. Where there is space is where the head starts to round, and that is where you'll be doing your flicking or scooping motion. Now I'm going over the rest of the bottom with a 2. Once again, when I'm reaching the upper part of his head, I am doing the scooping motion. So there you go. The haircut is complete. It is blended. There is no lines from the fade. And now it's time to clean up the edges. We're going to keep a steady hand. I always place my finger on the client's face in order to steady my hand. We're going to be going around the ear very gently. We're not creating a new line, but just taking some of the hairs that have gotten out of control out of the way. Continuously comb the hair. Move the ear out of the way as needed. Ears are very flexible, so use that to your advantage to get it completely out of the way. This can be tricky to do yourself, so I recommend having somebody else do this for you. When we are starting to get to the bottom part of its neck, I'm going to be doing more of a straight line. I am gently tapping to create this line. I am not pushing very hard or with much force. Now I'm going to create a shape for his neckline. We want to cut into his natural hairline as least as possible. Round is slightly easier to achieve, so we will go with that. Envision what you will be cutting before you do. Start in the middle and continuously use your comb to brush out any stray hairs. Again, use very light pressure and lightly use the trimmers to create your line. You can always go back and fix the line if it needs to be higher, but you cannot fix it if you went too high to start with. So there you have it, an easy haircut that you can do at home. Thank you guys so much for watching.